Hey, Chris from Codify Academy here. In this video, I want to look at what Cascade in CSS means and how the concept of cascading is important to us when we're writing CSS. If we look at the definition, and we look past the definition of the waterfall in number 1, we'll see that the second one says cascading means the process of passing on knowledge. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples here so we can see what this actually means. If we use the same selector with the same property twice in CSS, which value is going to apply? Keep in mind that CSS is going to read from top to the bottom. Well, that's right. Whatever value is found last is going to be applied on that element. Since the anchor tag selector with the color set to tomato is found lower on the CSS page, then that value is going to apply. If we look in the browser, we can see both properties are on the element, but the ones that aren't being applied have a strike through them. So when is this going to matter to you? Because hopefully you're thinking, I'm not going to use the same selector in my style sheets. You're just going to put the extra properties in that original selector. However, sometimes at your job, you could get a project where they tell you you can't make any changes to the original code. You have to actually add in additional code. So you would have to write new selectors to override what they want to change. You can always go into their code and highlight the element you need to change. You can find the selector here and then hover over it in CSS. Then in your code, you would use the exact same selector. As long as your code is found below the original CSS, the cascading will take care of the rest and your property should apply. If it doesn't work, you can at least go inspect the element to see if the property is crossed out or not. That's it for this video. Remember, all styles cascade from the top of our style sheet to the bottom of our style sheet.